Running a salon means keeping clients happy while managing appointments, follow-ups, and busy schedules. It can feel overwhelming, especially when you're trying to grow your business. That's why we've created a GoHighLevel GHL automation workflow template designed specifically for salon owners. This solution streamlines your booking process, enhances client communication, and helps you save time while filling your schedule effortlessly. Here's how it works. Lead capture. The system automatically collects leads from your website, social media, and ads, organizing them in the GHL CRM so you can manage inquiries in one place. Automated follow-ups. Once a potential client shows interest, the system sends personalized follow-ups via SMS or email, encouraging them to book their first appointment. Online booking system. With an easy-to-use online calendar, clients can schedule haircuts, styling, or spa treatments directly from their phones, making booking seamless and convenient. Automated appointment. Reminders. Clients receive automated reminders before their appointments, reducing no-shows and last-minute cancellations. Post-appointment follow-ups. After each appointment, the system follows up to thank clients, gather feedback, and promote loyalty programs or upcoming offers. This automation workflow template is designed to simplify your operations, reduce manual work, and create a better experience for your clients. With lead capture, follow-ups, bookings, reminders, and post-appointment engagement all handled automatically, you'll have more time to focus on what you do best, making your clients look and feel amazing. Ready to transform your salon's booking process? Click the link in the description below to download the full automation workflow template for GHL and start automating your success today. Don't wait, streamline your bookings now.